Welcome, coaches.
Before you
In
go
this
live,
tutorial,
preview your
I'll
funnel
guide you
to
step
ensure
by
everything
step
looks
on how to
great.
use
In the next video, we
Traxn.ai
can
to build a
discuss about the
high-converting
automation
sales funnel.
setup to send
Let's get
emails.
started.
When everything is ready,
First,
click Publish.
log into your
Copy the live
Traxn.ai
link and share
account.
it on your
If you
social
don't have
media,
one yet,
website, or
check the
email
description for
campaigns.
your exclusive
And that's
30-day
it.
free
You've just
trial
created a
coupon
professional
code.
sales funnel with Traxn. You've just created
From
a
the left
professional
side,
sales
click on
funnel with
Sites. To create a
Traxn.ai
funnel,
in
click on
minutes.
New Funnel,
Use the
then
exclusive
click from
coupon code
Templates
for a 30-day
from the
free
template
trial option
library.
below.
Select your
Thank you for
category.
watching.
Now,
If this video
choose the
helped
type
you,
of funnel
hit
you
like,
want.
subscribe,
For
or
this
share it with other
example, I'll select
coaches.
the
Let's
fitness
grow your
membership
business
funnel.
together.
This funnel allows visitors to sign up for membership. Click on Continue. Traxn.ai instantly generates a ready-to-use funnel template. Let's customize it. In the editor, you can tweak every detail. Update the headline to something catchy, upload your logo, and add your details. You can use clear, action-driven headlines to grab attention. Before you go live, preview your funnel to ensure everything looks great. In the next video, we can discuss about the automation setup to send emails. When everything is ready, click Publish. Copy the live link and share it on your social media, website, or email campaigns. And that's it. You've just created a professional sales funnel with Traxn.ai in minutes. Use the exclusive coupon code for a 30-day free trial. It's in the description below. Start your free trial today. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with other coaches. Let's grow your business together.